everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily get installed the popular Identity V game on your Android device. Whether you are using your mobile device or tablet, here is how you easily do it. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search bar, type in Identity V. Look for the search result from the next page. Look for the Identity V game from NetEase Games and tap on the Install button. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. If you have a stable internet connection, it will be downloaded in just a few seconds. Now all you need to do is to wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, play open the game, and then the game will let you download extra files. It'll download updates, game resources, additional content. Just let your internet do its thing, and then once it is done with the file download, you can then log in or create an account, begin your adventure as a survivor or hunter on Identity V. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.